This is the Dust Silver D66. This is one of their top selling keyboards. It's a wireless 65% keyboard. Inside the box you get a dust cover, the keyboard itself, some extra switches, which is the Gateron Reds, a cable, and a matching keychain, keycap and switch puller, and the 2.4 dongle. And don't forget, this is a 65% with a knob. And the Dust Silver logo lights up with the RGB, which is super cool. The stabilizers sound perfectly fine. This comes with die sub PBT MDA profile keycaps. Click the link below and check one of these out for yourself.